Yeah, indeed, there is a lot of motion in the field of CAR T-cell generation. We are very excited to see novel targets to who we can direct CARs, and that is, for example, BCMA, B-cell maturation antigen. The first product has been already launched on the market for multiple myeloma patients, but we get more and more evidence that BCMA is expressed on a number of non-Hodgkin lymphomas, including the chronic lymphatic leukemia. So this is just the top of the iceberg. There are a number of other antigens which are under current clinical investigation, just to mention ROR1, which is also an interesting antigen in both leukemia and lymphoma patients. So this is the first field of excitement. And another sector of excitement comes from other cells and T cells, which can be transfected, transduced by CARs, and that is particularly natural killer cells, lymphocyte population, which does not depend on the MHC-based recognition of the HLA system, so you don't need any longer tissue type matching, but there might be other ligands and receptors on the surface of NK cells. NK CARs or CAR-NKs are products which can be produced from NK cells from a single donor, a healthy donor, and then cryopreserved and serve as a from-the-shelf cell product for a plethora of patients. So maybe from one donor, you can even make products for 100 patients. So this is a lot of excitement. The question is, how about the longevity of these natural killer cells? Do you give? Do you need multiple transfusions of these CAR-NKs? And would that require again and again lymphodepletion by chemotherapy, which certainly cannot be multiply administered because it brings the patient at sincere risk for infectious complications, viral, bacterial, and even fungal disease might develop in the patient as opportunistic disease. Yeah, so these are fields of excitement that is added by other excitements we get from CAR T-cells, which incorporate switches to switch off CAR T-cells when they have shown a too rapid hemostatic expansion and with the patient at risk for cytokine release syndrome, CRS, or ICANS, immune cell-based neuropathy syndrome. So see, a lot of things are going on, and we are going to see forward what is developing in the next stage during our 4th European CAR meeting, and later on at the end of March in the EBMT annual meeting.